Want to do your Exodus taxes fast? Simply import your transactions securely into Koinly and let Koinly calculate your staking, your gains and losses, and more, accurately and easily. Before we jump in, the information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not tax, financial, or legal advice. Also, the examples I mentioned might not exactly match your situation. So as always, speak to a qualified professional if you're looking for tax advice. Hello, my name is Nelly, and in this updated video, I'm going to show you how to do your Exodus taxes. Exodus is a user-friendly, non-custodial wallet made for desktop, mobile, and Web3. But if you're making sweet gains with Exodus, you gotta pay taxes. So Koinly is your crypto tax calculator that can help you do your Exodus taxes fast. Now, in order for Koinly to calculate your Exodus tax liability, you simply need to import all your transactions into Koinly, which, don't worry, is super easy. The first thing you want to do is log into your Koinly account. If you don't have one, don't panic, you can create one completely free and follow along until the very end. Head over to the wallets area and click on add wallet. Then we're gonna find Exodus, and there it is. So we have two different options. We have the setup auto sync and the import from file. I'll start off with the setup auto sync. Okay, this part will greatly depend on which blockchains and coins you're working with. In this video, I'll show you Ethereum and Bitcoin, but if you know how to do those, you can pretty much do them all. So let's start off with Ethereum. The first thing you want to do is log into your Exodus wallet app and then find Ethereum. From there, you want to see where your Ethereum public address is, and you just want to copy and paste it into Koinly. Okay, for Bitcoin, it's slightly different. You need your XPub key, which can be slightly trickier to find, but don't panic. Just like before, head over into your Exodus wallet and let's find our Bitcoin. So there it is. From here, you'll see a little icon with 3 dots. You want to click on it, and then you want to click on Export XPub. Once you've clicked Export XPub key, it's going to ask you where you want to save it. So save it somewhere on your desktop. It's going to be a very simple text file. And once you open it, you'll see your XPub key. Just copy and paste that into Koinly. Okay, so that is your setup auto sync. If you have other blockchains or cryptos, you would add those here as well. Let's talk about the import from file. Let's go back into our wallets area and click on import from file. So this is really straightforward. You're gonna log in again to your Exodus account, and in the top right corner, you wanna select the history symbol. And that's when you're taken to this menu where you have 3 dots. You want to select those 3 dots, and from the drop-down menu, you want to select Export All Transactions. This will produce a CSV file, which you would just take and drop into Koinly and click import. So there you have it, really straightforward. Once you are happy with all of that, go into the transactions area and just double check underneath the hood, make sure everything is sitting correctly with you. If you do have any types of staking that you're involved in, make sure that's tagged correctly, send to pool, send from pool. We've made countless videos on that. Okay, if you've traded on other exchanges and wallets, which you probably have, you're gonna wanna repeat this simple process and connect them all. And luckily, Koinly integrates with over 800 platforms. And if you ever need a hand, we upload new integration videos weekly. So now with all your transactions imported into Koinly, we are able to view all your crypto transactions to accurately calculate your capital gains, losses, and income from crypto. This also includes DeFis, airdrops, staking, etc. If you have done any staking or liquidity providing, then you may need to tag those transactions manually. And like I mentioned earlier, I will leave a link to our staking and liquidity videos down below and in the top right corner of this video. Okay, now you can head over to the Koinly reports page and you can see how your year stacks up with a free summary showing your crypto totals for the year. The summary is awesome, but to officially file your taxes, you're gonna need a lot more detail. So now for the best part. Koinly produces a stack of cryptocurrency tax reports that cover your year's activity in great detail. This includes calculations and totals that line up with how the taxman wants it. We support over 1 million investors around the world with reports like the IRS Schedule D and Form 8949, plus a report for TurboTax, Tax Act, the UK, Australia, Canada, France, and a complete tax report for just about everyone else. Simply buy a plan from Koinly and download your report. You can file your taxes yourself, or if you work with an accountant, you can share it. Or you can even invite them to your account to Koinly. Lastly, check your country's rules and regulations because this report might be deductible. I will leave a bunch of resources down below if you need further assistance with our product. If you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below or on our forum section where our users and Koinly support team are ready to jump in.